Today, we talk about
Bop. All right. No box for this one too, but this is already all over the internet with other people's reviews, so we're going to keep this brief and short. Why did I pull the trigger on this? Well, luckily to an episode of, what do you call it? Life on Complex, the vlog that Tony Mui? Hope I meet him someday so I can figure out exactly how you say his last name, but he sat down with Petrie, the designer, longtime Nike designer for the Lebron line, and he was kind of explaining why, you know, the kind of layout and plans for the debut of these different colorways for the Lebron set time. And, you know, I was kind of on the fence of which colorway to get. I was hesitant to get the very first colorway because it seemed kind of basic in the photos, but as you can see here, this BattleKnit 2.0, the red is much more pronounced than they are in pictures, which I think they did themselves a disservice by doing that, because the red is what this shoe is all about for sure. It's called the Fresh Bread colorway. And from his explanation, basically each of the colorways that make up the LeBron 16 all kind of incorporate the 5 players on the court. I bet you they probably saw that one YouTube clip of LeBron, not LeBron himself, but somebody on 2K, you know, simulating 5 LeBrons playing on the same team at the same time. I thought that was funny, but that was kind of the idea of bringing an attitude of each position on the field, or the court, I should say, to each colorway. So like this represented the shooting guard, which is my personal favorite position. Why exactly, I'm not sure, but I'm all about it, especially because red is my favorite color and it just looks sick. Plus, he was pointing out how the red in the eyes of the lion here on the back kind of represent his look he was given in that famous Game 6, I think it was Game 6, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Game 6 of the Eastern Conference Finals against Boston, right when I really thought, back when I still didn't really like LeBron much. I shouldn't say I didn't like him, I just didn't, you know, I was younger, I was a Kobe stan, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I just remember that look he gave to the camera. I mean, he wasn't obviously looking directly at the camera, but they captured it, and it was just such, I literally felt something in myself.
I was like, yo, this dude's about to go off and it's gonna be bad. And Boston was in trouble, and they was, and then they go on to win their first championship, or his first championship. So, I mean, that was one of the inklings of moments pushing me towards becoming a big LeBron supporter. But yeah, this was, for all those reasons, you know, I kind of jumped at it. Plus, you know, you got to get the Dunkman logo in there. That's cool. Plus all the speckling. Obviously, they kind of tweaked the outsole pattern, kind of more reminiscent of a KD9, I guess. You know, I'm not going to be using these too much for performance. I'm not really too worried about it. But I did want, you know, obviously I keep trying to complete my LeBron set at this point. Plus the fact that they always are finding new ways to incorporate new technologies into kicks. In this case, the BattleKnit 2.0. That's the key feature here. Yeah, it feels very strong. So I'm very excited to see what the evolution of BattleKnit's going to be. Obviously, they're going for more of a low-cut take on this one, which is kind of interesting for LeBron, but I guess it's a sign of the times. But I really see these looking really good with jeans, so can't wait. Actually, let's try them on. Yo, actually, this is kind of sick.
The lighting, luckily, here is really good. You can see the friggin' lion. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah, that's so sick. This is a great angle, by the way. I might have to do an Instagram pic of this shit. But yeah, there's your 16. I wonder what that is, the L and the L. LeBron. Oh, maybe just an L and a J? Can you focus, motherfucker? I don't think that's a J. Where is it? I can't really tell. No, it's got to be J. Whatever. But yeah, very cool lion, bruh. Cool. All right, time to hit y'all with the what are those look. Kind of weird with these jeans, I'll be honest with you. I guess this is more of a jogger wear. But, you know, it works. Plus you get the 23 embossed or debossed or whatever on the suede. I don't know how they put suede there. Sugary suede. Really, yeah, I'm thinking it. Plus, especially when the sun is glistening on them, I can see these having a very, very dynamic look as you're walking around. So let's try that real quick. Hey, woo. Yeah, bruh, that's, yeah, word to your mother. I think Chief's about this.
There you go. There you go. LeBron 16. Peace out.